In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-signature in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're a business professional, a student, or anyone who deals with documents regularly, knowing how to quickly and efficiently add your signature to a PDF can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once you've successfully opened your document, the next step is to navigate to the Fill and Sign tool. You can do this by going to the top menu and selecting Tools. From there, find and select Fill and Sign. Depending on the version of Adobe Acrobat you're using, you might also see a Fill and Sign icon, which you can click directly. This tool is going to be your go-to for all things related to signing documents electronically. Now that you're in the Fill and Sign toolbar, you'll look for a button labeled Sign, or in some versions, Sign Yourself. Once you click on that, you'll see the option to Add Signature. Selecting this will bring up a window giving you 3 distinct ways to create your e-signature, allowing you to choose whichever method you're most comfortable with. The first option is Type. Here, you can simply type your name into the field provided, and Adobe Acrobat will automatically convert it into a stylized version that mimics a handwritten look. This option is perfect for those who prefer a quick and straightforward solution without the hassle of handwriting. If you're looking for something a bit more personal, you might opt for the Draw feature. Using this method, you can manually draw your signature using a mouse, trackpad, or stylus. Take your time to get it just right, as this option allows for a more authentic personal touch. Lastly, there's the Image option, where you can upload a photo or scanned image of your handwritten signature. This could be in formats like JPG or PNG. This method is often preferred by those who want their real, handwritten signature on electronic documents. Once you've chosen your ideal signature creation method and are happy with the result, go ahead and click Apply or Done to save your signature within Adobe Acrobat. Now, you'll see that your cursor has changed to the signature icon, indicating that you're ready to place your newly created signature onto the document. Simply move your cursor to the exact spot on your PDF where you want your signature to appear and click to drop it in place. You can easily adjust its position later if needed, ensuring it fits perfectly within the designated signing area. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create and place your e-signature in Adobe Acrobat. With this skill, you're one step closer to mastering the art of digital document management. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.